aesthetically designed living area. So this is our spacious kitchen. So this is our master bedroom. Very big, very. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya and today we are here at Gopalan Olympia by Gopalan Builders, which is situated at Kengeri, Mysore Road. Well, as you know, we have come here for the sample flat tours. We shall together dive into every aspect to see what makes this flat your dream house and also look into every minute details to see what makes this house even more special. Well, before that, you need to know some information on Housey. Housey is the first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers. With this, you get bottommost price guaranteed. Not just that, you must have experienced a lot of frustration while making inquiries online, only to be hit back with calls from various brokers. But at Housey, you can rest easy because the listings are done directly by the builders. There is no broker who will be involved. Well, that was the information you had to know about Housey. Now let's go and check out super luxurious flats. Okay, so now we are here in front of the 3D elevation of this super luxurious project, which is Gopalan Olympia by Gopalan Builders. Well, this particular project consists of 16 acres of land parcel. As you can see, this is widespread across 16 acres consisting of 9 towers, having 2 basement, ground plus 13 floors, variants being 2 and 3 BHK. Let's talk about the connectivity. This particular project has connectivity with Challakata Metro Station and Raja Rishwari Medical College in just 5 to 10 minutes of radius. Talking about the amenities, we have clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, play area, senior citizen park, kids play area, and central parks, and so on. Hello everyone, so now we have reached our super luxurious 2 BHK sample flat. Let's go and have a tour of this amazing flat. So at entrance, we have this foyer area which leads us to the living area. Well, this is our luxurious, premium looking, aesthetically designed living area. As you can see, we have a lot of space around the furniture, and also we have a lot of space for our TV unit, and we also have a balcony which is clubbed with our living area. So this is our balcony. Well, this is very cozy but looks very nice. Also, we know you're gonna get a very scenic and very relaxing view from here. So this is something which will give you a good light and ventilation to your living area. Also, the furniture, the styling is completely customizable according to your taste. Also, this corner of the living area, which is like a 2-in-1 space, because below you have storage space and here you can use it as your sitting space. You can decorate according to your needs. Well, with that, let's come to this area, which is the dining area. Well, here we have a 4-seater dining table accommodated, which looks very nice. Also, the dining area is very close to our kitchen, so it gets it has very good connectivity with the kitchen. So this is our spacious kitchen, which has a L-shaped slab, and we have a lot of storage spaces for the storage up and down as well. And this corner we have utility. We have a good space for the utility where you can store your dishwashers, washing machines, or any other storage item which you want to place it over here. So this is our kitchen right next to our dining area, also very close to our living area. So it's all like they are accommodated next to each other, which makes it very nice and comforting for people to communicate. So now let's go and check out the rooms. But before that, let's have a look at our common washroom. So this is our common washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. Also, we have a window for good light and ventilation. Let's go and check out our room number 1. So this is our room number 1. As you can see, we have a good space in the room, and also we have a space to walk around the bed. So this is pretty spacious, and we have wardrobe for the storage spaces, which also makes it very helpful for one to store their essentials. And we have a window with pre-fitted mosquito net, and this window will give you a good light and ventilation for your room. So this is our room number 1. So now let's go and get into the master bedroom. But before getting to the master bedroom, I want to give you some information about Housey. So at Housey, we give you sample flat tours, actual location tours, 360-degree virtual tours, pros and cons of a particular project, Not just that, pricing details including EMI and down payment details. After all this, if you like the project and you want to book your free site visit, you can do that by just clicking on the link given in the description box. Well, now let's go and check out our master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. Very big, very spacious, a lot of space around the bed, and you have a lot of space next to your bed to keep your lamps or any decors. And we have a big wardrobe for your storage, and we have this huge sliding windows with pre-fitted mosquito net which gives you good light, ventilation. And we have this dressing area over here which will be the favorite area of we girls. So yes, this is a very good and nice dressing area. And we have an attached washroom with our master bedroom which has anti-skid tiles, and the washroom we have anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. Also we get a window for good light and ventilation. So this was our 2 BHK sample flat tour at Gopalan Olympia by Gopalan Builders, situated at Kengeri, Mysore Road. Well, if you like the flat and you want to book your free site visit, you can do that by just registering yourself at thehousey.com. If you want the e-brochure for this particular project, you can get that by just clicking on the link given in the description box. Well, not just that, if you have any positive or negative feedback regarding the house, the builders, the location or the videos, you can let us know by dropping it down in the comment box. Last but certainly not the least, do not forget to subscribe Housey for more such informative and amazing videos. Well, that was it for today. I'll come next time with yet another amazing sample flat tour. Till then, take care and goodbye.
So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Gopalan Olympia, situated in Kengeri by Gopalan Properties.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.